tí wọ́n sẹ́yìn wọ́n pátá kò sí kékeré orí adé o adó tí wọ́n síbẹ̀ o èmi ò síbẹ̀ o ọ̀rọ̀ ní ìkọ̀tọ̀ represent o so mo kí gbogbo yín pátá ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò ní pọ̀ máa sọ ní Gẹ̀ẹ́sì máa dẹ̀ sọ ní Yorùbá. I will speak in English and Yoruba. It's my 53rd birthday, and normally every year I always celebrate my birthday just like this, to bring people together, dine and wine, and create a platform for few of us to connect in the party. And at the same time, it's an opportunity to see some of us who have been in different locations. And I've started holding this kind of gathering when I was 30 years old. And if not to count, this is the 23rd birthday I'm holding annually. I will use this opportunity to thank every one of you that came to this program. Despite the kind of weather we have now, we have a heavy downfall of rain. But because of your determination, because of your love you have for my family, you still find your way to honor me. God will honor every one of you. And I thank the gentlemen of the press for being here with us every time. And anytime we call you to come and publish what we are doing, you always respond. And at the end of it, we don't normally disappoint on what you do about our program. I thank all the kings present and all the meetings here for honoring me, and I believe God Almighty will honor every one of you. And I thank all the leaders of the organization. We have many organizations here. I know some of my head, we join protocol to bring names, because I signed a lot of people that I think I couldn't see their name in the list. Every one of you is being recognized. Today is not a day of too much of speech, and I recognize my wife, the pillar of our family, who has been with me, come rain, come sunshine. And I thank the entire eight that will always almost be together 24 hours. So I thank the entire Aare Council for their support on this birthday and the national anniversary of my installation. By then we have nothing less than 50 hours in that program. But this time around, I realized that I should not burn my good way. Let me reduce the invite so that I don't call our obas to program anyhow. Although they always anxious to associate themselves with me, which I always anxious to associate myself with them, because our position is unique in Yoruba land. We work interwoven. There must be a synergy between Aare and the Obas, because the Obas are the leaders and the head of community. Aare is the generalissimo of Yoruba land, in charge of defense of every community. So we must have a very good relationship, a cordial relationship, so that Yoruba land, Yoruba race can move forward. Thank you very much, gentlemen of the press. God bless you all. Le bon